It is time for another property tour with your host, America's Realtor, aka Alex Maloney. And it's a little wet out here, y'all. Raining, as you can tell. Nice elevation. We are at Southgate Homes in WINDSONG Ranch in Prosper, Texas, y'all. Now, let's get inside before I get too wet out here. And we are in. We are so in. Holy freaking cow. We are absolutely in right now. There we go. Alright, y'all, let's get started on this little tour. Here is the first bedroom down. There's going to be 2 bedrooms down and the rest up. This is your in-law suite or extra child's bedroom with the stand-up shower, tile all the way from the floor to the ceiling with a large walk-in closet. And I'm just going to tell you a little bit about this community while we're taking a stroll around here, y'all. So this is the 61 series of Southgate Homes in WINDSONG Ranch. There's 2 different Southgate homes builders in WINDSONG Ranch. And as you can see, there's the sales office. Mudroom right here, that would be the garage once this model is sold. And a super, super luxurious model, y'all. Here is the media room down. Everyone loves that now. A lot of people would prefer the media room down than up nowadays because it's easier to entertain with it down. Here is your office. And y'all, this neighborhood has a huge lagoon, world famous lagoon. I'm just kidding, not really world famous, but it is a big, huge community pool they call the lagoon. And you can paddleboard in it, you can kayak. It is acres of water, y'all. Might do a video on that one soon here. But it's pretty amazing. It's great for kids, great for adults, anyone really. But it is a huge major attraction of why people come in this neighborhood, because it's just that amazing. But WINDSONG Ranch is a master planned community, and it is Prosper ISD. It is Bryant Elementary School, Rushing Middle School, and Prosper High School. And this plan, y'all, starts at $799. That is the base price, $799, $900. So, very, very reasonable for this area. And you have your sliding doors, glass sliding doors over there. Here is your breakfast nook. So you have 2 ways you can go outside right there. Open floor plan, vaulted soaring ceilings with those, I'm going to call those stacked bay windows because there's windows up top right there. And it is cold out here, so the fireplace is indeed on. And we have your vaulted ceilings, master suite. And one of my favorite master baths, y'all. I love this plan. Floating vanity, garden tub, open shower where you can go both ways in and out, whichever way your heart desires. And let's step in here, y'all. And we're gonna go through, back out this way. And it's got good shelving. Just flows really well, y'all. And there's a lot of space too. They did a great job planning on that. And we have a huge, huge master closet for those winter clothes up there. And we have easy access to the laundry room. Very easy access. I love when they add that door. Most of the time it's closed off, y'all, and it's such a pain to walk all the way around. So easy to just go in there, drop your dirty clothes in there, and be done with it. And let's come back out this way. And also too, y'all, this community has another community pool as well. It's not as big as the Lagoon, but it is a pretty good sized community pool. It also has tennis courts for all you avid tennis players out there. And this is right off of 380, guys, if you know where 380 is. They're doing some construction now. It's a little congested right now, but it's not going to be like that forever. They're going to be fixing that. They're widening it like crazy. So let's head upstairs, y'all. Here we are. Here we got our game room and the study area. Once again, shout out to all of our young scholars. Dang, that is a modern chessboard. Holy cow. And let's take a look at these bedrooms. Nice, good sized bedrooms. And the closet in there. Hardwood flooring upstairs with a full bath, stand-up shower. Very, very nice. And let's come back out over here. And let's go across the way. Over here. Perfect. There we got a closet. Good sized bedroom. And an ensuite. Full bath. Very nice. Trying to get in here so y'all can see so you can get the full experience of this tour. And let's go back out this way. We're gonna go across now to the other side of the upstairs. There's 3 different parts to this upstairs. And bird's eye view of the lower floor. Here we go. Super nice model, y'all. I love this one. And we got another great size bedroom with the ensuite, tub, stand-up shower combo. Very nice. And a large walk-in closet. And let's go back out. Another look at this upstairs, and we're gonna head back down. And also, y'all, this has pickleball courts, basketball courts, tied into the HOA. And it also has fitness facilities for all you avid power lifters out there. Bodybuilders. Or just people wanting to go on the elliptical. And it also has a huge amphitheater and playgrounds. Y'all, it has it all, to be honest with you. It even has a disc golf course, y'all. If you guys play disc golf. Insane. And also, tons of hiking and biking trails. And here is the backyard, y'all. Got a great fireplace for entertaining. And we have a putting green. You could put a pool here or whatever, but this model chose to do a putting green, which I think is pretty cool. Definitely. We can get some aces, birdies, eagles, pars. Hopefully not any bogeys. But I want to thank y'all for tuning in to today's property tour. If you would, please smash that subscribe button and like button. And you can fit a pool over there if you wanted to, so you could even keep that putting green and do a pool. So I will see y'all on the next one.